smile. Oh, Fat Andy, yeah? Okay. Right, look, Kay made me buy.
I didn't. No, I did not.
No, we see this in Aldi. $6.99. Well, that was Thursday this week, but we didn't get it. And then I went up there today and picked it up. It's Berry Castle mini chocolate eggs. Let's take a closer look at it. Right, here it is. Berry Castle limited edition mini chocolate eggs, flavour country cream. 70 centilitres in a bowl, 12% ABV, and it was £6.99. That's what it says on the back of it. Blend of double cream, alcohol and flavourings. Just what that is, calories per glass. We don't worry about that, do we, Kay? No, she says, shaking her head. Yeah, I don't really tell you much about it. Just tell you it's 12% ABV and 70 centilitres. Got the units on there. Yeah, I suppose it is what it is. But it's been done for Easter anyway, as you can see. So, yeah, let's get go on and have a go of it and see what it's all about. Right, so, let's see what this is all about. I will actually just make sure I shake this up. A good shake. So obviously this is brought out for Easter. I don't know what it's like. It's probably going to be sweet at the end of the day. Oh, it's dark. I think it's a bit more whiter than that. Hang fire a minute, okay? And we'll get this poured out. And we'll see what it's all about. That's actually look a little bit lighter on camera, I think, with the light shining, but it's a little bit darker, isn't it? Let's give it a smell and tell you. I can smell chocolate straight away, can't you? Go on, go for it. Tell me what it's like.
Not too bad.
That isn't actually, is it? That's not too sweet, is it? Do you know, I really expected this to be sweet. When we looked at it in the shop, didn't we? You said to me, "Oh, that'll be sweet." That's not, is it? That's got a nice. That is actually quite a nice flavour. You got a slight hint of chocolate in it with it, and you can taste the cream in it. That is really actually quite nice. If you hear anything knocking about in the background, that's a dog. That is really good. Have another one, Kate.
No, I'm fine.
I'll go and just have one more. You know, it makes sense.
That'll do.
As Del Boy used to say. Yeah, I am really, just let that dog in there. You will go in the lounge. Go on, boy, over there. I'm impressed with that. I'm really impressed with that. Because that's not too sweet. Do you think, Kay? Or not? That's nice, isn't it? It's subtle, isn't it?
It's not as sweet as I thought it'd be, but
no.
It is still sweet.
Well, sweet, obviously it's going to be sweet, but I really expect that. What did we have last time? We had something, that birthday cake, didn't we?
Yeah.
In a white bottle like that. And that was sweet, wasn't it? That was very sweet. That's very nice indeed. Maybe one for the adults at Easter. Thought we'd bring you that. We see it, as I say, £6.99 in Aldi. Would I recommend it? Well, I would. Would you recommend it? Yeah?
Yeah.
What'd you give it out of 10? Obviously, remember, it's not got such a strong alcohol content.
7.
It's only 12%. About a 7, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would go 7, maybe an 8 on it. Because it's not so sweet, but we're in that ballpark. Yeah, I'll go on, I'll side with you, 7. Let's say a 7. Would you have it again?
Nah.
No, what, because that's just a novelty for Easter.
Yeah.
Really. Yeah, I know what you're saying. It's not something you'd stock up on all the while with it. Well, we say we wouldn't have it again. Obviously, we'll have the rest of this bottle. Not tonight, by the way, but between us at some stage. No, we thought we'd get it. $6.99 to try it out. As I say, got a nice hint of chocolate there, nice creamy flavour. Not too sweet. It is sweet, but not overly sweet. I can't say much more about it actually.
No.
Do it taste like chocolate eggs? Maybe a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Not much. It ain't really got a lot of chocolatey taste.
No, you got that hint there. You got that
You've
hint.
just got a hint. It's not as chocolatey as I thought it might be.
You haven't got a strong, like if you have a Baileys, right? I know Baileys is different, but if you have a Baileys, you know sometimes you hit that alcohol, you can taste it through the cream and sweetness.
You can.
You can't taste a lot of alcohol, but again, as I say, it's only 12%, but that's nice. That's nice to have probably. If you like this sort of thing, then go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're both bang on for a 7 on that. Yeah, that's all I can say, really. Right. Thumbs up if you like this. Give us your comments below. Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments. Do you want another one of them?
No.
You'll be doing a strip in a minute.
You
Right.
look like you better drink yours up.
I'm drinking. Oh, you got your eyes on it?
No. No.
Yeah, give us your comments below. And at the end of the day, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And what's up with you? Do you know what? She have a couple of Ballycastle chocolate eggs and she's away. And we will catch you lovely people in the next one. Catch you later.
See ya. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.